Welcome to your digital bulletin. They all have useful and easy-to-use hidden links embedded into them. This short tutorial will help you understand how to use them. Enjoy and have fun. Click on the image to open a link to a digital map of the location you are in. Click Open to open your digital map of the location you are in. Your digital map appears. Click on View Map Legend to open a legend for the map of the location you are in. You can now see a legend with meeting spots, points of interest, recommended shops, bathroom locations, etc. all listed. Click the Trafalgar image in the top left corner. The link to the website of the trip you are on will appear. Tap on Open, and the Trafalgar website will appear. You can now see the Trafalgar website. Tap on the red banner with the travel director's name on it. The link to their Instagram page will appear. You can now see their Instagram page. Tap on the Let's Get Social banner at the bottom of the page. The link to the Trafalgar Instagram page will appear. Tap on Open, and the Trafalgar Instagram page will open. You can now see the Trafalgar Instagram page. Tapping on any underlined word or words will also open a link. Tap on Grand Hotel Europe, and a link to Google Maps with the address and location of the hotel will appear. Tap on Open, and your hotel will appear in Google Maps. You can now see the location and address of the hotel in Google Maps. Tap on the underlined words, Omega, and a link will appear for a shop that sells Omega watches. Tap on Open. The shop that sells Omega watches website now appears. We hope you enjoy our digital bulletins. If you have any questions, please just ask your travel director for some help. Thank you and have a wonderful trip.